Mandy?
All right, we're changing our cabin air filter here. Pull it out and take a look. It says it's activated with carbon. I don't know what that means, but I guess we're gonna put it in and find out.
Let's give it a shot.
Well, this one is in the glove box, so take all the junk out. We could throw it out, but those are Tyler's treasures that are hiding in there. There's a little compartment in here. I don't know if you want to get a peek at this. Here, I'll go grab it. You can see in there, there's this little guy here. Slides up. I can get it to go. Comes out. And we got the filter in here. Let's see. Oh, pop it out. Pull that out. This one out. Ooh.
Is it dirty?
This one's dirty. I don't think this one's activated with carbon, so that's just dirt up in there. That's kind of gross. There's some leaves in there. Some nasties. Get rid of that. Get our new one so we can have some fresh air in here. And put it in like these. Slide in there. Nice and good. That was an easy job. Oh wait, don't put all the stuff back in, I lied. Put the cover back on first. Cover is back on. Now we're ready for our stuff to go back in. All the junk to keep in there. And that job is done. Boop. All done.
What you got going on under there, Mandy?
It's a very crazy thing, bro. All right.
Got a limit strap here. Limit your suspension from doing too much. It's part of a leveling kit. Right here. New tubular upper control arms.
And there are little blocks down here.
And little blocks for the sway bar to move the sway bar so everything aligns right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this one that makes like a mess?
Yeah, there's like 3 pumps in it. Feel this.
More?
More, yeah.
Alright, where's the last one? There it is. Wrong way. Just put that back on there like that didn't happen. Still going the wrong way.
Push the button forward. Okay, you're right. Oh, that's backwards.
Here, just go.
Just snug it down.
That one's
Skip one.
Alright, one done. I don't think that sucker is going anywhere. that's
Good
going
and tight.
in. Yeah, it is. I don't even think I could get this one here. That doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Twist and let it click.
How you doing, Mandy?
Get in the air filter. That buddy back in there. Make sure it's sitting in. There we go. That's all checked. Everything else looks good.
Ready to go do some four-wheeling?
Yep. Snow wheeling, you mean?
Some snow wheeling, yeah.
Because it's winter.